Oh yeah, baby, we're back for another round. What's going on, guys? It is True Ember. We're back to another Airsoft adventure. I know the channel has been a lot about Airsoft, but trust me, that's not what it's all about. There's gonna be a lot more adventures. It's just the only thing we can go to right now is just Airsoft. So, next time you guys are gonna see me, I'm gonna be on the field. Hope you guys enjoy. And yeah. Hey. No.
No means yes.
Turn around this way. Maybe you could have told me that an hour ago. We got Grizzly. We got Donut over there. And we got Bolta coming right over here.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. You can borrow a pistol, yeah?
And if I say no? You can use it. You can borrow it. You can borrow it.
No, yeah, we got guns. You just got it.
We got guns? You want to rephrase that?
They got guns.
Okay.
Started giving me shit for that. Fucking piece of shit.
Yeah, we got guns, huh? Whose vest is that?
Hey, okay, listen here, you fucking son of a bitch. Alright, let's see you here. I gotta punch someone in the dick real quick.
Hey!
Is Zach here? Wait, what are we?
Red.
I said green.
Here. I'll turn yours on and then you turn me on. Alright, cool.
Get some of that ass.
Alright.
You mind?
See you on the field, boys. Oh, crap. Yeah, look at Colby. That's Colby right there. I'm gonna get on top of the kill house, alright? I'm gonna try to give you cover. Colby, where you at? Colby, where you at? I'm on top of the kill house. I don't know if I'm actually not hitting them or just they're not calling it, dude. Oh no, dude.
Okay, you know how you fucking have this as a fucking upper receiver thingy?
Sure.
As an ass.
Just load yourself up. Wait, what?
Scoping upper receivers. Or lower receiver.
I heard Copenhagen.
Skull, change out, vagina.
Just put a sound effect, just
Dude, that'd be dope. You have the little clicking thing effect? Like the fucking, oh dude, that'd be like right here, the speaker. Just
you run an ammo.
Here is this from the gun. Just, that will be selling quick. Dude.
The CEO of company.
The cum company.
Oh! What a big arm, dude! 5 on 5. You shoot until you can't see anybody. Ready? Huh? Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Free hugs all the time.
Reggie, that's what you're looking for. Woo! Get that and get it back to your spawn point. Is that beer?
Is that beer? I hit. Oh my god, that was on spray. You okay? Yeah, you good? Yeah, I was gonna cross it and I didn't even see you coming. You okay? I'm okay. I'm okay if you're okay. Whatever happened? What happened? What'd you do?
I don't fucking know.
Why are you messing with my stuff?
It touched me in the ear. What do you expect?
It just licked your ear hole.
Yeah, no.
Hey man, that's my titty.
Man, feel right, gay. We're not homosexuals.
We're just
We
gay.
are to each other.
Yes, baby. What's up, baby? Okay, well, I got Tweedle Dumb and Tweedle Idiot. You're not gonna break them. You're not gonna break them. You are not breaking them. You are
I
not,
will lick your fucking ear.
you're not breaking them. Very salty, dude.
I'm gonna get
You're swiping
he
right on all of them. You don't even know what they look like.
Fuck that.
It could be a dude.
I don't give a fuck.
yeah, but we got
Go global. Fuck it.
we had to pay
You said yes to everyone in the country.
yeah.
Yeah, give me props for that one, man.
What's up, my dudes? Right, CQB? You want to shoot some butts in the butthole? Show. How you guys doing?
You restricted him, not me.
Put down in the comments. How are you guys doing today?
Yeah.
Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.
True Ember out.
Remember? Ow.
Get the okay. Remember? Out.